I have a Honda GX390 that I have no spark. I disconnected the black ground wire running from the coil to isolate the problem to the coil. No spark. So I replaced the coil with a new one. Still no spark. I made sure oil was up to operating level in the crankcase. I even disconnected the oil sensor. Still no spark when turning over. IT has a starter and a key ignition. I replaced TH15 AMP fuse when all this started. One of my employees did something causing IT to blow. He did this after the motor acted up and quit running. Any ideas? Could there be a problem with the circuit breaker that is on the ignition box?
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. How are you checking for spark? The spark plug has to be grounded to the metal of the engine to show spark. With the kill wire removed from the coil, the only two things that make the spark is the coil and the magnet in the flywheel. Coil has to be gaped about 0.010 inch from the flywheel.
I have grounded the spark plug on the head and valve cover of engine. Also I have the coil gaped at 0.010. The new coil is brand new from Honda.
The coil and the magnet is all that makes the spark. I assume the magnet is in place and as pull. If no spark with kill wire removed, the coil is bad. It would not be the first new one that did not work.
I suppose to be sure I should use an ohm meter. The new one could be bad. It wouldn't be the first new part for me that was bad.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.